Here in this video, we are solving two problems based on the concept of needs. Let me start with the 2016 question. It says, three sound waves of equal amplitudes having frequencies n minus 1, n and n plus 1. They superimpose to give beats. How many number of the beats are heard per second, right? Let me solve this question first. Then I will go to the next question, right? So the first thing that you need to know is, when two waves are superimposed together of slightly close frequencies, we have derived equation that number of the beats generated per second is difference between that frequencies. So here we have three frequencies, n minus 1, n, n plus 1. So all these three are sounded together, right? So first let us see when n minus 1 and n are sounded together, number of beats per second is difference between the frequencies n minus n minus 1, that is equal to 1. That's one case. Next case, when this case is over. Now look at this case. When n plus 1 and n are together, beats per second is again difference between them, n plus 1 minus n, that is also equal to 1. And when n plus 1 and n minus 1 are sounded together, number of the beats heard is n plus 1 minus n minus 1, that equal to 2. So if you look little carefully, in first case 1 beat per second, in second case again 1 beat per second, whereas in third case 2 beats per second. When it is 2 beats per second, how it happens is, between 0 to first half of the second I get 1 beat, half second to 1 second I will get one more beat. Together therefore it becomes 1 plus 1, 2 beats. So if you observe carefully, after 1 second this beat is heard between n and n minus 1, and this beat is heard between n plus 1 and n, and out of these two that happens here, this second beat happens after 1 second, right? So what we can say is, after 1 second this one x, this one y, and this one z, x, y, z happens together, heard together, and heard as one beat, because they're all heard at the same time together with the same frequency, same amplitude. But between n plus 1 and n minus 1, after one half the second, this I have told, overall 2 beats per second. So after half second 1 beat, after 1 second 1 more beat, 1 beat is heard. This is different. This is not coinciding with this above xyz. Therefore what we can say is, total number of beats per second is xyz together as 1, and after 1 second it's one more. So together 2 beats per second is the answer for the problem. That's how we have to solve that problem, right? The first problem. Okay, now after solving the first problem, we can solve the second problem. Yeah, this one. This is on NEET 2013. It's also a simple problem. A source of unknown frequency gives 4 beats when sounded with a frequency of 250 Hz. What's the meaning of that is? Let unknown frequency is x. difference with the another frequency 250 equal to 4 beats per second. So there are two possibilities. If x is greater, x minus 250 equal to 4, or if 250 is greater, 250 minus x equal to 4. So these two are the possibilities that we can write in the first case. This is all case 1. Let's add case 2 of the problem. What he said is, the second harmonic of the source of unknown frequency. I have considered the unknown frequency as x. Second harmonic of that becomes 2x. When sounded with 513 gives 5 bits. So 2x difference 513 equal to 5. So what are the possibilities? It could be 2x minus 513 equal to 5 when 2x is larger, or 513 minus 2x equal to 5. Then what is that unknown frequency? We have to find out, right? So let us start thinking that this is the answer, right? If 250 is more than x and 250 minus x equal to 4 is correct, then x becomes 246. When x becomes 246, put that 246 here. 2 into 246, and do that calculation somewhere here. Yeah. 2 into 246 means 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 9, 492. So 492 minus 513 is not equal to 5, isn't it? So this equation goes wrong. For what? For x equal to 246. And here also 513 minus 492 is also not equal to 5. So this equation also goes wrong for x equal to 246. So x cannot be 246. Therefore, this option what is given for you is wrong. That implies right option, the correct option is x minus 250 equal to 4. X equal to 254. Put that x equal to 254. 2 into 254 becomes 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4 and 1, 508. So here if you keep that in the place of 2x minus 513 is 5, 508, if I keep that value minus 513 is minus 5, so this is wrong. But look at this second option. 513 minus 2x means 513 minus 508, that is equal to 5, is the right option. So the only possible option is, that is right option is possible only when x is 254. All options are wrong when x equal to 246. So the right answer for that x is obviously 254H, who is the right answer. So it's a very simple question. You only have to look for the possible options, knowing a basic concept that number of the beats heard per second is difference between the frequencies. Once if you know this concept, you can solve this kind of problems. That's it, and thank you for watching.